Ensuring a successful fibre installation begins with one crucial step: testing your duct integrity and verification. So why is it so important? Before we install any fibre optic cable, testing the integrity of the ducts is essential. It's a small step, but it can make a huge difference in the quality and reliability of the installation. We test for things like blockages, deformations like duct kinks, or even damage caused by overpulling, stretching, and impact from backfilling, or even air leaks. Without proper testing, you run the risk of disrupting the entire fibre installation and lead to costly fixes down the line if they aren't caught early. Cable wastage could also be a large factor. Our kits include a one-way tester, an 8-way tester, and a large tester to suit all scenarios. These products were developed in-house by our R&D team, working closely alongside our tech team to deliver the best and most cost-effective solution on the market. The 8-way Duct Integrity Tester has been designed for civils teams to verify what they have put in the ground is fit for purpose. There are 8 ports for speed of verification that work in sequence with our one-shots to verify the route is clear and ensure that there are no air leaks or damage. The single-line tester has been designed for the home installers to clean and dart the duct to verify it's fit for purpose to install the fibre. The large duct integrity has been designed for the build teams to clean, test and lubricate ducts in preparation for the fibre install with duct sizes from 10mm to 20mm. Investing in proper duct integrity testing isn't just about preventing issues during installation, it's about delivering high-quality fibre optic services our customers expect, with minimal downtime and maximum performance. And it doesn't stop there. Our field support team is available to assist you directly on site, making sure your installations go smoothly from start to finish using any of these products. Contact us to learn more about our new range of duct integrity test kits and how they can help streamline your fibre optic projects.